Hello everyone, I'm Miss Shannon and welcome to Let's Do Science. Today we are going to use a couple of different items and try to make it rain in our jar, okay? So we've got our empty jar with some water, and you need some shaving cream and you need some blue food coloring. Okay, fill up your jar or your clear cup to about right here, okay? Because we need to leave room for the shaving cream, okay? The water in the cup is what we're going to be using as the air, okay? And then the shaving cream we're using, it's going to represent the cloud, okay? So then we're going to put a small layer of shaving cream on top of the water, okay? And that's our cloud. And then we have our blue food coloring, which is going to be used for the water droplets, okay? We're going to add food coloring to the shaving cream. The weight of it's going to push through the clouds and we'll have some rain. So you're just going to start dripping some blue food coloring on top of the shaving cream. And as it gets heavy, it's going to start coming through the clouds and pouring down like rain. See right here how we have the rain? The blue food coloring are rain droplets that we squeezed onto our cloud are getting heavy and they're flowing through the jar. See how we have the rain pouring down? All of the blue in the jar is all of our rain. So it shows that as the air, the water, pulls all the stuff up into the clouds, all the evaporation up into the clouds, and all that water gets heavy, it rains down on the land. Thank you for joining me for Let's Do Science. I look forward to seeing you next month. Bye-bye.